हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय पर। मैं डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय, हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट फैकल्टी ऑफ कॉमर्स, भगवती कॉलेज मेरठ। बच्चों, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने इंग्लिश मीडियम में आपका जो है अभी बस थोड़ी देर पहले ही फर्स्ट ईयर का बीकॉम फर्स्ट ईयर का 2019 का और बीए फर्स्ट ईयर का 2018 का क्वेश्चन पेपर जो है वो एक ही वीडियो में अपलोड कर दिया है ना, 200 क्वेश्चन। तो आप लोगों की डिमांड थी कि सर क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोवाइड कराएं इंग्लिश मीडियम में, तो हिंदी में तो मैं करा चुका हूँ और कल पूरी यूनिट पूरा सिलेबस करा चुका हूँ, 5 यूनिट। तो इंग्लिश मीडियम के बच्चे के ज़्यादा कमेंट आ रहे थे, वो ज़्यादा परेशान थे, तो मैंने 200 क्वेश्चन उनको दे दिए हैं। रात को मैंने 100 क्वेश्चन अपलोड किए थे, ठीक है, और 200 क्वेश्चन अब सुबह, टोटल 300 कर दिए हैं। और अभी इस वीडियो में हम आपसे डिस्कस करेंगे अब, ठीक है, 200 क्वेश्चंस और, ठीक है, जिसमें बीए सेकेंड ईयर के 2019 के और आपका बीकॉम सेकेंड ईयर का 2019 का क्वेश्चन पेपर, ठीक है ना। तो इससे पहले मैं बताना चाहूँगा, जो मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं बच्चे, तो स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा, लाइक और शेयर भी कर दीजिएगा अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में, चाहे कॉलेज के हो, चाहे कोचिंग सेंटर के हो, या जो भी कोई आपके जानकार हो, क्योंकि मेरे ही चैनल पर आपको सीसीएस यूनिवर्सिटी के सारे बिल्कुल प्रॉपर तरीके से क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व आपको इस तरीके से मिलेंगे, बाकी और किसी चैनल पर आपको यूट्यूब चैनल पर नहीं मिलेंगे, ठीक है ना बच्चों। आपके मेन पेपर होंगे तो भी आप मेरे साथ बने रहिएगा, मैं भी आपके साथ बना रहूँगा बिल्कुल, जब तक आपके एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म नहीं होते हैं तब तक मैं आपके साथ बना रहूँगा, आप भी मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा। इसके बाद मैं कंपटीशन की भी तैयारी करवाऊँगा, तो आप मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा, ठीक है ना। कंपटीशन में बैंक पीओ, आरआरबी, एसएससी, ठीक है, यूपी पुलिस, दिल्ली पुलिस, तो करंट अफेयर्स, जीके और भी जो कोई चीज़ें होती हैं, मनी एंड बैंकिंग के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, तो हम जुड़े रहेंगे, ठीक है ना बच्चों। चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, what do golfers and weightlifters injure most often? Option C, the lower back. Second, tennis elbow is usually caused by overuse. What is the best time to stretch your muscles after exercise? A good warm up will, option D is correct, all of the above, means increase your blood flow, warm your muscles and boost your breathing, ठीक है। Number of vertebrae in human body is 33. Which of the following is not included in the general term physical fitness? Intelligence. Archery is the national sport of which country? Bhutan. When was the Commonwealth Games started? 1930. Who is the author of book Going for Gold? Nanda Menon. Table tennis is played on board. Who is known as Flying Sikh? Milkha Singh. What is national sport of India? Hockey. Olympic Games are organized after a gap of every 4 years. Vijayendra Singh is associated with which sports? Boxing. The background color of Olympic flag is white. Which of the following awards is not associated with the field of sport? Norman Borlaug Award. Thomas Cup is related with which sports? Badminton. Green Park Stadium is in Kanpur. When was the Amateur Athletic Federation of India? 1946. Who among the following is not a badminton player? Somdev Devvarman. The Supreme Court banned Jallikattu, जो कि बुल फाइटिंग एंड बुलॉक कार्ट रेसिंग, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स? तमिलनाडु. Which country will host the 2018 Asian Games? Indonesia. The sports person Geeta Fogart is associated with which of the following games? Wrestling. Good health is essential for, option C is correct, both A and B, means economic development and social development. The integration of eye, hand and foot movements is called coordination. Which of the activities below would best test muscular strength in the legs? Squats. If you are a good jumper, then you are strong in which area? Power. The ability to cover a distance in a short period of time is called speed. The word confusion is related to injury. Sports competition among various nations increase the national integration. Yes, the smallest functional unit in any living body is called as cell. Nucleic acid consists of organic molecules. In adult males, the percentage of water found in the body is 60%. Proteins are synthesized from amino acids. Which is the most abundant tissue in the human body? Connective tissue. The bond that protects the brain is calcium. What helps to make bones so strong? Calcium and phosphorus. What is the function of a tendon? To link muscles to bones. Approximately how many skeletal muscles are there in the human body? 600. Muscles are made of group of cells called fibers. How many lobes are there in the left lung? 2. Which structural defects change in temperature? Thermoreceptors. ठीक है, thermoreceptors. The exchange of gases between inhaled air and blood is referred as external respiration. Which one of the following is the largest portion of the brain in human? cerebrum. ठीक है, cerebrum. Which one of the following is not part of the large intestine? Option D. ठीक है, duodenum. Which of the following is essential for blood clotting? वो है blood platelets. The saliva helps in the digestion of starch. The normal temperature of the human body on the Kelvin scale is 310. Wisdom teeth normally grow during the age of, option C, 17 to 30 years. What is the controlling center of a cell? Nucleus. The Sanskrit word Veda is derived from the root word Ved, which means to know. How many UN members countries celebrated the International Day of Yoga? 192 countries. What does the word yoga means? Join or unit. When do we celebrate International Yoga Day? 21st June. How many types of asana does Surya Namaskar comprise of? 12. Samadhi is a trace or state of bliss. Pranayam is the practice of controlling. Option D, breath. Which Veda mentions about the elements of yoga? Rig Veda. What is the ideal time to practice yoga? Morning. When is Vajrasana done? After taking meals. Aerobic exercise strengthens your heart. The other name of पद्मासन, the other name of पद्मासन वो है कमलासन, ठीक है। पोजीशन ऑफ तदासना इज स्टैंडिंग, Savasana and Makrasana are relaxive pose. Shirsasana is useful for eyes. Rechka means exhalation. What is the position of Murasana? Peacock. Nephron is structural and functional unit of kidney. Blood is our body is a fluid connective tissue. Human heart has 4 chambers. Knowledge and theories in the sociology of sports enable use to. Option A is correct. Discover ultimate truths about the role of sports in society. What is faint? A brief loss of consciousness, ठीक है, consciousness, ठीक है। Which of the following can cause a stroke? Option A, a blood clot in an artery in the brain. If you get a muscle cramp while exercising, you should stop exercising. Applying a dash pad on cramp will help to circulate blood flow. Option A, heating. When securing a triangle bandage, always use a dash, not overhand. An arm sling is used to support an injured. Option D is correct. All of the above. Arm of forearm, wrist and rib fracture. To prevent injury, you should always dash. Option D is correct, है ना, all of the above. Means warm up properly, have appropriate fitness levels before playing, and wear and appropriate protective equipments. There are how many lumbar vertebrae? 5. 4. A nose bleed asks the player to sit down. What should you do to help someone who is choking? Option C, hit him firmly on his back between the shoulder blades. Where would a person having a heart attack most likely feel pain? In his chest. Heat stroke. Option D is correct. All of the above. Means causes very high blood temperature, hot red or dry skin, and C, rapid weak pulse, shallow breathing. ठीक है। Hypothermia. Option D is correct. Can be caused by swimming in water below 70 degrees. Internal bleeding can be caused by. Option D is correct. All of the above. Means injury, illness and medication. 88. What would you do for a chemical burn person? तो option D is correct. ठीक है। Flush with large amount of cool water until flush with large amount of cool water until help arrives. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Karanam Malleshwari. Which one of the following is not considered as an organization? Clubs. Sports activity helps for national integration. Yes. Bandages are used for to hold dressings in place, apply pressure and control bleeding. When giving care for external bleeding, what should you do first? Option C, apply direct pressure to bleeding part. Muscles that are found in heart to circulate blood are known as cardiac muscles. Flexible and touch a band of fibrous connective tissue that connects bone to muscles is known as? Option A, tendon. For flexibility to be increased, the muscles must, option D, है ना, all of the above, means be held beyond normal length and be held for adequate amount of time, be stretched frequently. ठीक है. Flexibility is influenced by which of the following factors? Option D, none of the above, means no size, no shape and no weight. The ability of muscles to exert force is referred to as muscular strength. Muscular strength training can not reduce, option A, aerobic capacity. When muscle size is increased, it is called hypertrophy, hypertrophy. ठीक है. Which of the following terms does not describe a type of fracture infused? What is RICE treatment? ठीक है. RICE, R for rice, I for eyes, C for compression and E for elevation. ठीक है. तो ये बच्चों 100 क्वेश्चंस थे आपके BA फर्स्ट ईयर, ठीक है, सॉरी सेकेंड ईयर के 2019 के, और ये इसके आंसर शीट है ना. ठीक है. चलिए आगे हम डिस्कस करते हैं बीकॉम सेकेंड ईयर के. तो मैं एक ही वीडियो में ये क्वेश्चन इसलिए दे रहा हूँ ताकि आप लोग सारे प्लेलिस्ट में आपको बार बार ना देखना पड़े. कई बार नेट में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है ना, तो आप एक ही वीडियो में 200 क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस कर सकते हो. ठीक है बच्चों. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखिए. बीकॉम सेकेंड ईयर का 2019 का एग्जाम है, ठीक है ना, मैं आपके मेन एग्जाम का. What is the smallest unit of human body? Cell. Which is the powerhouse of the cells? Mitochondria. What is the measurement unit of energy? Calorie. What is the full form of WHO? World Health Organization. How many stages are in Surya Namaskar? 12. What is Kumbhak in yoga? Pause between inhale and exhale. ठीक है. How many parts of yoga are there? 8. What type of blood are carried in arthritis? ठीक है. Pure. The weight of heart is 250 gram. ठीक है. 250 gram to 320 or maybe 300. Where is DNA found? Nucleus. And what is the full form of DNA? Deoxyribose nucleic acid. And what is the full form of RNA? Ribose nucleic acid. Who is the universal blood donor? O positive group. ठीक है. Remember O positive group. What is RBC? Blood cells, है ना. Full name is red blood cells. Which is the longest bone of the body? Femur. When was the word first aid used first time? 1870. And which country? England. ठीक है. Where is the smallest bone present in the body? Ear. What we do before starting the exercise? Warming up. In which country the word first aid was used first time? England. In which asana peacock pose is made? Mayurasana. What is the full form of NFP? National Fitness Pattern. The word yoga is originated from which language? Sanskrit. Which fluid remains in knee? Synovial. The rate of respiration per minute of a healthy person is 15 to 18. Which type of protein is found in muscles? Myosin. Who said a healthy mind lives in a healthy body? Aristotle. When WHO established? 1948. Which factor is important in gymnastics and physical fitness? Flexibility. Which type of food should a healthy person eat? Balanced. Fibula bone is found in human body. In legs. Question 29. the total number of chromosomes in body. 46. The total life of red blood cells is 120 days. Which blood group is universal acceptor? ठीक है, यूनिवर्सल रिसेप्टर कह रहा है, ठीक है, ए बी, ध्यान रखिएगा. Which vitamin is obtained from the sunlight? Vitamin D. Where is insulin secreted? Pancreas. The full form of DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. Which machine is used for measuring the weight of person? Stadiometer. What to learn by a camp? Discipline. What is massage? Scientific art. What is improved by the meditation? Concentration. The quantity of water in human body is 70%. How many types of muscle functions are there in the body? 3. Who said a man is a social animal? Aristotle. What is PEM? Protein, energy, malnutrition. Tennis elbow injury is related to which sport? Racket sports. Which is the meditational pose out of the following? All of the above. Sukhasana, Vajrasana and Padmasana. Yogasana, Karmastu, Koshalam. Lines are related to which epic? ठीक है, पतंजलि योग सूत्र. समात्मा योग is related to which epic? गीता. Which प्राणायाम is related with भानवेयर की गुंजन, भंवर की गुंजन, ठीक है, ब्राह्मरी. What is water therapy? Hydrotherapy. The weight of a newborn baby's heart is 40 gram. How many bones are in ribs? 24. What is the therapy given by pressure? Aquapressure method. Which machine is used to measure the obesity? Skin fold meter. What is RICE? Treatment method. Which physical fitness factor is important in cross-country race? Endurance. Who discovered the cell nucleus of the body? Robert Brown Hooke. Hereditary traits are transmitted by genes. How many bones are in spinal cord? 33. Neck bone is known as hyoid bone. The number of nerves in skull are 12 pairs. Who is the first teacher of a baby? Parents. If mention mother, then your answer will be mother. What is pranayam? The control of breathing. ठीक है, the control of breathing. Who has the authority for doping test? NADA. ठीक है. When the International Yoga Day celebrated? 21st June. When the National Sports Day celebrated in India? 29 August. The origin of anatomy word is from Latin. The full form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. ठीक है. The time of a cardiac cycle is 0.8 second. How many chambers are in the heart? 4. What is anatomy? Blood structure science. Mary Kom is related with which game? Boxing. International Olympic Committee is known as IOC, है ना. If mention what is the full form of IOC, then your answer will be International Olympic Committee. When was the Food Adulteration Act made in India? 1954. What is effect of lactic acid in the body? Fatigue. Growth starts by pregnancy. Who is the writer of Hereditary Genius book? Galton. हु इज द फाउंडर ऑफ अष्टांग योग? महर्षि पतंजलि। एनेटीना इज यूज्ड इन विच गेम? वॉलीबॉल। द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड इज गिवन टू स्पोर्ट्स कोच। व्हाट इज biceps? muscles. Which asana is known as snake position? Bhujangasana. When was the World Society originated? 1938. Who is the founder of kindergarten method? ठीक है, जिसे हम शॉर्ट में केजी बोलते हैं, kindergarten, ठीक है, फ्रोबेल, ठीक है। जूडो इज नेशनल गेम ऑफ विच कंट्री? जापान। What is the national game of Bhutan? What is the national, ठीक है, archery. What is the weight of kidney? 150 gram. The protein factory of cells? Ribosome. Who discovered the vaccine of smallpox? Edward Jenner. Which part of the eyes is donated? Cornea. Why we celebrate Yoga Day on 21st June? The longest day of the year, ठीक है, the longest day of the year 21st June and smallest day 25th December. Michael Phelps is related with which game? Swimming. Who controls the वॉलंटरी मसल्स एक्शन? सेरिब्रम, ठीक है। चलिए, विच एंजाइम इज सीक्रेटेड इन सलाइवा? पेटालिन। द आउटर मेम्ब्रेन इन ह्यूमन ब्रेन? ड्यूरामीटर। व्हाट इज ऑक्सीजन? गैस। What is the highest sports award in India? Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Who is the magician of hockey or maybe hockey wizard in India? Major Dhyanchand. Who is the Indian Udan Sikh? Milkha Singh, ठीक है। And second name is who is the Indian Udan मेल्स? फीमेल में पूछे आपसे तो पीटी उषा, ठीक है। टेबल टेनिस इज द नेशनल गेम ऑफ चाइना। वेयर इज YCMA कॉलेज? फिजिकल एजुकेशन, ठीक है, सिचुएटेड, चेन्नई। एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन, हु रॉट द बुक लाइट ऑफ प्राणायाम? लिएंगर, ठीक है। ये बच्चों 200 क्वेश्चन आपके हो गए और ये आंसर शीट है जो यूनिवर्सिटी ने इशू करी है, ठीक है बच्चों। तो ये मैंने आपको 200 क्वेश्चन जो है इस वीडियो में दे दिए हैं। तो टोटल अभी मैंने 1 घंटा पहले आपको 200 क्वेश्चन दिए थे, रात को मैंने 100 क्वेश्चन दिए, अब 200 क्वेश्चन मैंने इस वीडियो में आपको दे दिए हैं। तो ये आपके जो है अभी 500 क्वेश्चन हो गए हैं ना। आज मैं आपको कुछ और जो है 200 क्वेश्चंस मैं आपको प्रोवाइड कराऊंगा, ठीक है बच्चों। तो वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा, अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में बता दीजिएगा, क्योंकि आपका 10 तारीख को एग्जाम है, केवल 2 ही दिन रह गए हैं, आज 8 तारीख है। तो आप अच्छे से तैयारी कर लीजिएगा, आपका बहुत अच्छा रिवीजन हो रहा होगा। चाहे आपने कोई मॉडल पेपर बुक पढ़ी हो या ना पढ़ी हो, तो आप देख रहे हैं कि चाहे बीए का पेपर हो, चाहे बीकॉम का पेपर हो, चाहे बीएससी का पेपर हो, तकरीबन 40-50% क्वेश्चन जो है वही सेम कॉमन ही होते हैं। भले चाहे बुकलेट तो अलग अलग होती है, लेकिन क्वेश्चन जो है वो आपके सेम ही है। कुछ क्वेश्चन इसमें 10-12 क्वेश्चन नए थे जो फर्स्ट टाइम पूछे गए हैं, तो वो भी मैंने आपको इसमें करा दिया है, ठीक है ना बच्चों। तो मेरा चैनल नेम है स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय। आपके मेन पेपर के साथ भी मैं बना रहूँगा, खासकर बीकॉम ये तीनों ईयर्स, एमकॉम सेकेंड ईयर प्राइवेट, एमए इकोनॉमिक्स सेकेंड ईयर प्राइवेट, ठीक है, सीसीएस मेरठ का, और आपका बीए थर्ड ईयर इकोनॉमिक्स, ठीक है, और बीए सोशलॉजी, और उसमें आपका जो रिसर्च मैथोलॉजी का पेपर है, ठीक है, सोशल रिसर्च मेथड्स के नाम से, ठीक है ना बच्चों। थैंक यू।